we will see how to put your name in TradingView chart. So to add your name in TradingView chart, you have many options. First one, you can simple here select the text button and now tap on it, and then here you can simple name the text which one you want. Like I am adding here Andrew. Okay, and then once you add, you can simply click enter and then place it where you want in your chart, at the top, left corner, or where you want. Okay, second one, you can see, well, you will easily see here at the right side, sorry, at the top of your chart, the unnamed. You can simple click on this arrow, click and rename, and then here you can again rename it. Okay, so it's called Andrew, and then click on rename. Here you will see that my chart name will be renamed here. It's called Andrew. Okay, so here is how you can easily add a name. Also, you have a third option, but I think it will not work as it means like in a good way. So you can simply right click on a right side time chart, click on labels and enable symbol label. And then here you will see your symbol label at the on your screen now. Okay, goodbye.